Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review the ongoing trade deal talks between India and US. India-US trade deal talks back on track. Piyush Goyal expected to visit America maybe in the next few days. India-US trade deal talks are back on track with Commercial Minister Piyush Goyal expected to visit America soon. The visit would follow the recent one-day discussions between US Chief Negotiator Lynch and Indian counterpart Rajesh Agrawal in India. Focusing on the proposed bilateral trade agreement, Piyush Goyal is likely to travel to Washington shortly as India-US trade negotiations continue to progress positively. The Commerce Minister's visit is likely soon, maybe in the next few days. For the trade talk, the Commerce Ministry reported on September 16 that discussions with the visiting US delegation regarding a bilateral trade agreement were constructive, with both parties reaching to a swift and advantageous conclusion. It was decided to intensify efforts to achieve early conclusion of a mutually beneficial trade agreement. The ministry announced in a statement following a 7-hour meeting with US representatives. The discussions held significance due to the US implementing a substantial 50% duty on goods from India. The senior US trade delegate visit marked their first in-person meeting following the implementation of a combined 50% duty on Indian products. After imposing 50% tariffs on Indian products, Donald Trump, the US President, recently struck a note calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi a friend, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi responded positively, paving a way for trade negotiations to resume. Piyush Goyal on Thursday indicated that negotiations for the US trade agreement are progressing well, with recent dialogues yielding positive outcomes. The talks that happened 2 days back were productive and are working on the right track. Talks are moving positively. India and US are natural partners, he said. Negotiations are going on. We look at it as a situation, it's not a friction. America is our trusted partner, and the US maintained its position as India's principal trading partner for the fourth successive year, 2024-25, achieving bilateral trade of $131.84 billion. The US represents approximately 18% of India's overall goods export, 6.22% of imports, and 10.73% of the country's total merchandise trade. In February, leadership from both nations instructed officials to work on a proposed bilateral trade agreement. The initial phase of the agreement was scheduled for completion in autumn, October-November. The negotiations have progressed through February thus far.